fine. Get me out of these. Okay. Full at-home mode. 我回家了. Spider, thank you so much for resubbing. Sorry, I didn't turn this on. I don't know why it was off though. But my lamp is smoking, yes. Thank you so much. Okay. Let me set up the camera. 아, 酸了，眼睛好酸哦。My lips are so chapped. So I'm using the makeup remover to take off my tinted moisturizer. You can see like my face is just... Oh, ow, ow, ow! Ow. My face is fucked. 我的脸烂掉了。我的脸真的烂掉了。Yes, there's essential oil. There's essential oil coming from this lamp. I already got her. Yes, I do. Everything hurts. Lord. My face hurts. Lovely room. This is my apartment. Thank you. Home. I got all this. 一定要有饼干嘛 Tomorrow is gonna be rainy, so I got some fruit. Sukiyaki flavor instant ramen. 我看起来好好吃哦。Frozen dumplings, microwavable. Guys, this is a humidifier, essential oil humidifier. You can find one on Amazon. Please get off my back about it. It's not smoke, it's vapor. Wow, straight men. Where's your sister at, Marmar? I do not understand what you're trying to say. 台湾的便利店最便宜，其实去超市买要更便宜，但是因为我想买一些这种明天可以吃的。My umbrella's wet. This is for tomorrow. Korean bibimbap. These are for tomorrow too. I already have the snack. 我今天晚上要吃米血。Excuse me. Excuse me. 等一下晚上肚子饿可以煮泡面。If I get really hungry later, I can still make instant ramen. 这个放这里，很多东西可以随时买。对啊。This is feisty tiger. Supplies for a cozy feast at home. Yes. This guy got timed out. Like, he had 30 messages and he got timed out 4 times. Oh. Pool girl, boobies. Stop timing me out for no reason. Asians nowadays, don't come to America, never, please. Let's see your bikini. I want to feet lick and grab. Okay, I am perma-banning you. Dumb motherfucker. I love PC streams. Now I can read what you've been saying and I can know who I should permaban. I love that. Dumbass. No, because he was in my chat earlier and he's like, stop timing me out for nothing. And I was like, what? I don't know what's going on. And now I see it. That wasn't for nothing, bitch. Oh. I can't be on to anybody right now. My face is ruined. It hurts. Look at me here. I'm gonna eat that. This is for tomorrow. I got to. I told you this. I'm just gonna eat 1 heart right now. This is duck heart. Duck heart. This is for tomorrow. I want to buy roll. I forgot to buy the jello. It has radish in here. So good. 好好吃哦。我今天喝太多咖啡了。It's so good. It's almost tomorrow. No, I got these. These, we're gonna nibble on these. It's not smoked, it's braised. Cooked in stock. It doesn't taste... It really is just bigger. No kipo. What's the weirdest food? Again, with this question. Scorpions? You've stopped chatting since you heard about the logs. Scorpion, starfish, silkworm, duck head, pig brain, rooster testicles.